How to reset Instagram suggested posts. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Instagram suggested posts. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Instagram app. Then tap on the search in the bottom here. Then in the search, open the photo or video that you don't want to see on your suggested post. So for example, if I don't want to see this post, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right side, and then you have to tap on not interested, and you have to keep doing this for the post you don't want to see, and your suggested post will be resetted. So this is how you can reset your Instagram suggested posts. Thanks for watching.